In today's video, we'll teach you how to create an overlapping video effect. If this interests you, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Editor on our phone. Click Create Now. Select a suitable video from our album and click Add to enter the editing interface. Select the clip on the timeline and adjust the handles on both ends to set an appropriate length. Next, click this button to return to the main menu. Find PIP and click Add PI. Choose the video or image you want to overlap from your folders. Click the top right corner and select Add to add it to VideoProc Editor. Let's trim the newly added material to the right length. In the preview window, adjust the position and size of the frame. This is for making it show in the proper position. Find Mask in the menu bar and select a suitable template. Adjust the mask's size and position in the preview window. Use the arrow below to adjust the mask's feathering. Click here when it's done. Move the playhead to the first frame of your material. Add a keyframe over here. Find opacity and set it to 0. Move the playhead forward, set another keyframe over here, and adjust opacity back to 100%. Now we can export your video. You've learned this effect. Now download VideoProc Editor and try it yourself.